Welcome to Model Horse Tag School. My name is Carrie, and today we're going to be opening up, unboxing Arroyo and Baja. It's the first release in the Stablemate Collector Club for 2026. I forgot I had this, so sorry it's taking so long to get this up. Alright, there we go. A couple of cutie pies, look at that. Let's make sure we're focused. Alright. These little works of art. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, he's pretty. Alright. So, if you guys are wondering, I haven't posted in a while. It's because I got a 3D printer and I've been printing stuff. And I'm really enjoying it. So let's see. Come on, there he is. Well, let's start with the stallion. I'm assuming this is Arroyo and the little guy's Baja. So let's see. Wow, that's kind of nice. Eye whites, little star, seams are clean. That's nice. Oh, he's pretty. I like him. I like him. He's pretty. And then we got the foal. I forget who this guy is. Is this the prancing foal? And it's just a simple bay, kind of chestnutty. Chestnut because he's got no black markings on his legs, so he's a chestnut. Oh, he's frosted, so I guess that means what, he's going to roan pretty soon? Oh, he's cute. He's cute. Seams are clean. No flaws, really. That's nice. I think that dusting, that frosting is... It just makes a difference. Otherwise, you'd be like every other chestnut they've done on this. Yeah, he is adorable. So, that's really cool. There's your Arroyo and Baja. It's really nice. He's showable. He's really good. He's a good show horse. Right. Thank you for spending time with me today. Like, subscribe, tell your friends about the channel, and have a really good day.